Hey, hello. In this video, I will show you how to use weekly pivot point indicator for profitable trading. At first, you need to it weekly. At first, you need a weekly pivot point indicator. Now, this is the question. Where will you get it? No problem. I shall give you it. And just go to description to download it. I give their download link. Then put it in your MD4. If you don't know how to install uh, MD4 uh, custom indicator in MD4, so just go to my video sessions and see that how will you install the custom indicator. After install it, restart your MD4 and focus your currency chart like me. In here you can see in here indicator and in custom indicators, and this is the weekly pivot. Yeah, this is just got it on. I have already in template, so I can load it from my custom template like this. So to get better idea about weekly pivot point indicator for trading, just I am hiding all support. You can see in here support and resistance also. This is the pivot point line, and here it support and resistance line. So I'm to get better idea, I am hiding the all support and resistance line like me. Just double click on the line and in here colors, just none, 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 none. This is the my pivot line. So I hide the all things. Now we can see only the pivot point. Just log it, and this is the pivot line. So you can use it H1 H4 charts. Everywhere it's work fine. On H4 chart you see in 4 hours chart GBP USD I am working here, so it's work fantastic. But if you want to use one H1, no problem, it will also work there. What's the problem? I can't get any problem. Just H1, I think there is something problem. Now let's see again. There was problem, something I don't know what was that. So now it's fine working. So I'm going to again to my custom indicator, and here where is the weekly pivot? Yes, this is weekly pivot. Just okay and click and hide again. Okay, this is the pivot point. So in here now, let's see, it's USD Japan, USD, GBP, USD. Also putting down one GBP, USD with the weekly pivot point. None. Okay, first time go there, and then none without not working it. Then not working, hiding options. So you need to put on first and then hide there. So let's see RGBPST H1 chart, H4, you can H4 chart, H1 chart. So in here it's again appear, no problem. uh, just see the pivot point line here, the pink color, the pivot point line in here. If you, yeah, this is the most important thing is that when you see the market is below one pivot line, just like me here, this is the thing. So yeah, saps here, just see it, and again sap rectangle, just I'm using it. You see you, and below the market, there is not below market. Now in say in here, saps triangles, and here, and here, and here. Okay, let's see. Now I am here putting down some things. If you trade in here, just you must see that market, of course, obviously it's a market going to down on pivot line, and it must retrace the line, then you will trade. Without not, just in here you see market is going down in here, just second candle going up, but not retrace, going to near but not retrace, just going and up there. If you trade, no problem, just you suppose I thought you trade in here, so you must put in down. If you trade in here, so there is pivot line is so near, so you must the STP, stop loss, must be 20 to 30. So in, if I trade in here, so this is the pivot line, and here is pivot line, and third 20 or 30. If I get 20, so market in 200 points, that means 20 pips in here. So this is the line. So this things is, so I'm going on then that, and 20, it's the 20 20. You see there 2564, 2564, 2564, no problem, 2564, and 2.2564, and here 2.6464. Yes, so it could be stop loss. Or if you run 30, no problem, just use it there. So in the highest level on can go there, where is go higher where, you the lines, the open high 2563, 2563, not 64. So if I thought this is the close, I some in my just just remember it, or imagine it, just your trade or your target line is close. So I thought you lost in here. Okay, no problem. So this is the first lot in 20 pips. So 20 pips is gone on loss in here. Now if you trade now again in here, just market is going down it quickly, and stay and not test and going on. here is the retrace line. So if you did trade in here or in here after retraced, so this is the retraced line. So if you trade in here, so in here you trade, and after that you mind 70, that means 7 pips, 8 pips and 20, lines is a 2078. This is the your this is your stops loss line. So again in here you can, if you did that your trade also, you can't lose in here, so you get long profit up to this line here, 686 point, that's been 60 pips in here. You got 60 pips in here, but you lost on that only 20 pips. So just remind it again. I'm gone. There is no, there is up and up, so many ups. So don't take in here any trade. So no, I'm not trading in here. You can trade in here. You can trade in here because the line is going up. So I'm let's see you later when you where because we are counting the um, sale trade. So again in here, instead though, that the things in here is the retraced line, here is retraced again, and if you see in here you trade in here. So if you put in down 20, it is the 20, 200, it is the 20 pips. So not touching, so not touching your stop loss, not touching on your stop loss 20. If you don't did the 20, not touching your stop loss. If you did take into 20 and in here 20 and more 20, so 400 point, so don't you don't lose your capability. So because don't touching in here, don't touching your stop loss, so the market going to down. So how many pips? So let's see. This is the long profit 1000. That means 100 pips. You are gain 100 pips against 40 pips. So long. It's so long. So you gain in here again. So if you um, trade in here, so let's see again. If you did the stop loss, don't take, and in here, so that is 1900. That's mean about 190 pips. Whoa, wow, so long. You are the big beyond like a billionaire. So this is the thing. So if you trade in here, so I thought you are going to lose in here to 20 pips. So that is not nothing because it's going to up. So you must lose in here. So no problem. So what is our strategy? Just either you lost here, you 20 pips, you uh, gain 190 pips. So you lost 20 pips, so I minus the 190 pips to 20 pips, so 170 pips again you have to gain your 60 pips, so 170 pips or 60 pips, that's mean 230. So 230 you gain already. So if you did there, so you gain long. So what was that? So just see it. Wow, 1000. That's mean 100 pips 20. So again, you gain the one there 200 pips up, 230 pips and 100, 100 to 30, 120 pips in here, or that for 50 pips because here is 120 pips. So you gain 350 pips, and you again you lost in here 20 pips. So I minus it 350 pips minus 20 pips, so you gain 330 pips. That's so much. So this is our strategy. This is the same things when you are trading on up uptrend. So it's in here, you can see this is that you can trade, you can take trade in here. And yeah, you see that. Oh, sorry, that's a support line, so I am so mistake, so this is not, just delete it. Sorry. Saps rectangles. Didn't touch the rectangle retracement, so I think don't take in here trade because this is so long high, so you must trade in here. So what was that? Okay, and 140 waves, so long. This is the strategy about weekly pivot point. So then, thank you for watching it. If you have if you have any question, so you can comment on below in our video, so I can serve you any help for your trading life or trading strategy. So next video I will show you how to use moving average, and that means MA with a pivot point. So this is fantastic, I like it. So thank you so much for watching our video. If you like your video, so I think you can subscribe our channels and share this video. So thank you so much for watching our video. Bye bye.